To download and play PUBG on your PC or laptops, go to this URL and click on download LDPlayer now. Open the installer and just proceed with the installation. Once LDPlayer is installed, just open it. Once LDPlayer is open, just click on System Apps, click on Play Store. Now if you have not signed in to your Google account, it will ask you to sign in first. Just enter any valid email and password and you'll be able to access Play Store. Here, just click on Search Apps and Games and search for PUBG. You can hit enter and you'll see the search results. Just select the game and here you'll see the install option. Now you can just click on install and this will be installed within LDPlayer and you will be able to play PUBG in your PC. Once this is installed, you can see PUBG icon in the home page. You can click here in this middle circle icon to go to home and you will see your PUBG icon right here. You can just click on PUBG icon once this is installed and it will open and you can play it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.